Home Use Car Toyota Raize Z Package 2023 TRD Kit Pearl White Black Top Low Mileage Outclass Condition like a 0 meter. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am presenting a stylish and premium compact SUV, the Toyota Raize Z Package. This is a 2020 model and registered in 2023. The car comes in a beautiful pearl white color with a black top, which gives it a very sporty and modern look. If you are looking for a small SUV with great looks, comfort, and reliable performance, this car is a great option for you. Let's start with the exterior condition. This Raize comes with the TRD kit, which adds a sporty body kit and makes the car look more aggressive and premium on the road. The body condition is excellent and well maintained. The paint is fresh and shiny, and the pearl white color with black roof stands out nicely. The car was imported in 5-grade condition at only 15,000 kilometers, which shows how clean the vehicle was at the time of import. The panels are properly aligned, and there are no major dents or scratches. The headlights and taillights are clear and in good condition, and the overall appearance of the car is Outclass. Now let's talk about the engine and performance. The Toyota Raize Z Package is known for its smooth and efficient engine performance. The engine runs very smoothly, with no unusual noise or vibration. The pickup is responsive, making city driving very easy and comfortable. The car feels stable on highways and is easy to control even in traffic. The transmission is smooth, and the overall driving experience is light and comfortable, which is perfect for daily use. The fuel average of this car is very good for its category. It is a compact SUV that is economical for daily city driving and also suitable for longer trips. The engine temperature remains normal even in traffic, and the cooling system works properly. This makes the car reliable and stress-free for regular use. Maintenance cost is also reasonable, and spare parts availability is good. Talking about the drive comfort and suspension, the Raize offers a comfortable ride quality. The suspension absorbs bumps well, and the car feels stable on uneven roads. The steering is light and easy to handle, which is very helpful in city traffic and parking. The brakes are responsive and provide good stopping power, which adds to the safety of the car. Overall, the driving experience is smooth and enjoyable. Now let's discuss the tires and safety features. New tires have been installed recently, so you don't need to worry about changing tires anytime soon. The road grip is good, and the car feels planted on the road. This model also comes with BSM, which is blind spot monitoring, an important safety feature that helps you while changing lanes on highways. This feature adds extra safety for you and your family, especially during long drives. Moving to the interior and features, the Toyota Raize Z Package comes with a modern and well-designed interior. The seats are comfortable and supportive for long journeys. The dashboard design is clean and practical, and all buttons and controls are easy to use. The infotainment system provides entertainment and connectivity features, making your drives more enjoyable. The AC works perfectly and provides strong cooling, which is very important in hot weather. The cabin feels spacious for a compact SUV, and the headroom and legroom are good for both front and rear passengers. The overall build quality of the car feels solid, and the doors close with a good solid feel. The driving position is comfortable and gives good visibility of the road, which makes driving more confident. The compact size of the Raize also makes it easy to park and maneuver in tight city spaces. This is a big plus point for people who drive mostly in city areas. This Toyota Raize Z Package is currently driven 35,000 kilometers, which is low mileage for this model year. The car was imported at 15,000 kilometers in 5-grade condition, and it has been carefully used after import. The condition of the car is excellent, and it does not require any major work. The car is ready to drive and enjoy. The demand for this car is 60. The price is according to the condition, features, and low mileage. Serious buyers only, please. No time waste. If you are looking for a premium compact SUV with TRD kit, BSM safety feature, new tires, and low mileage, this Toyota Raize Z Package is a great deal for you. Overall, this Toyota Raize Z Package 2020 is a stylish, reliable, and economical compact SUV. It offers a sporty look with the TRD kit, a comfortable interior, good fuel average, and modern safety features. The condition is excellent, the mileage is low, and the car has been maintained with care. If you want a modern Japanese import with premium features and easy city driving, this Raize Z Package is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more car reviews and car deals, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.